Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sor YouTube channel. In this video, I am sharing what type of industries using big data. So let us discuss one by one. The first one is banking sector. Banks get huge data from unlimited sources which apparently compel them to look for better ways for managing this data. Also, they need maximum security against fraud and have to abide by the regularity conformity. The use of big data allows them to get better and bigger insights that help them plan high-end strategies. The next one is education sector. Big data helps the educators get useful insights which have net noteworthy impact on education system, students as well as the curriculum. The data analytics helps them to come up with better education system and proper evaluation of teaching aids. The next one is manufacturing sector. It allows the manufacturers boost eminence and output while controlling waste. It even lets them solve problems quicker and come up with responsible business decisions. The next one is government. Accumulation of big data facilities the different government bodies to connect analytics for gaining significant ground in running agencies, managing traffic jam, or controlling crime. The next one is social media. It is becoming a progressively smart set of information for business linked to marketing, sales, as well as customer support. This data is normally found unstructured or which is the only challenge because structuring it takes time. So then how it works? Once you have collected the data, the first thing is storing it for better usage in the long term. There are various technologies, advanced ways of storing your data, and it has become pretty easier than what it was several years ago. The big data works the best when you analyze it thoroughly. It is a completely different process and holds great significance in letting businesses use the collected data in a smart way. Result driven and structured analytics is your way to implementing the data effectively. So that's all about some of the major sectors using big data. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates and also like this video and give comments. Thank you for visit. Have a nice day.